Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time, you're absolutely welcome to Yemizkitchen. My name is Yemi. I'm a Nigerian American YouTuber, I'm a lifestyle blogger, and I make you videos from the United States. If you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and leave a comment for me. And click the like button. It is very important to me because it helps me out. So today I'm going to show you how to make plantain chips. Growing up, plantain chips is one of my most favorite snack growing up in Nigeria. And as I grow older, I see that plantain chips is everywhere. It's eaten in all parts of Africa. It's eaten in India. It's eaten in all the Caribbean island. Even they have a derivative of which is the banana chips. All is the same, but we don't put sugar in ours. Now I'm going to take you to the process of cooking plantain chips. What do we need for the plantain chips? For you to do plantain chips, you just need, it's either you do almost ripe plantain chips or a green plantain chips. So today I'm going to use the green plantain and my seasoning for the plantain. So these are the things I'm going to use. The green plantain. I have the accent. It's optional. You can use salt. It's just what I feel like using today. And my cayenne pepper. You don't have to put anything. This is optional. Plantain chips by itself has its own taste. You're going to need plantain, a knife, or a grater, and any kind of odorless oil. Okay, I start by cutting the head of the plantain. You open it up, be careful. Plantain can hurt you. So it's hard to peel. So some people, they use potato peeler. Some people put in hot water for 5 minutes before they do this. But I am just peeling out and I'm using my knife to peel this plantains. Make sure all the skin is peeled out completely because the skin is not edible for me. So I am going to rinse it out so that all the dirtiness or all the handling can be cleaned out. So I'm rinsing it out. After I rinse it out, I patted it dry. Now I'm using my knife to cut my plantain chips. You don't have to use knife. You can use a grater to grate this and to slice this a slicer the way you want it to be. But this is the authentic way to do it. This is how we do it in Africa. We use a knife and it's faster. So I am cutting it the shape I want, which is the round shape. Some people cut it different kind of shape. Plantain chips cutting completed. Voila! I finished this all in the bowl. The 3 plantain has been chopped in the bowl. Now I already put oil in my pot to start warming up so that I can cook my plantain chips in it. Make sure you test your oil that it's not too cold or too hot to make these plantain chips. I put a little bit of seasoning in my oil, which is optional. You can drizzle your seasoning on top of your oil. I put just a little bit of salt in my oil, and I am putting my slice of plantain one by one because I want it to cook evenly. Now you don't have to do this. You can use your spoon or your spatula or your cooking spoon just to put this plantain in your pot because you have to be careful that it doesn't burn your hand. But I'm safe with this and I want it to cook evenly. I don't want to put everything at a time. That's why you see me putting one by one so that I can control the cooking. Make sure that your oil is not too hot, and you have to make sure that as you're cooking it, you are swirling it all around. You are turning it so that it doesn't get burnt, so I can cook evenly. Now you can see after a couple of minutes it's brown. It depends on you if you want it very brown or light brown. I like mine lightly brown. So it's all cooked, and I'm going to take my first batch. As you see, I am putting it in my tray, and I want the oil to dredge on the paper towel. So you just do the same process. I'm putting the plantain chips, raw plantain in the oil again. I'm frying it, the same process. I have completed it, and I finished the 3 plantinos or plantain that I cut into pieces. Now I am done. Like I said before, plantain by itself is tasty. You don't need to use anything. For my choice, I am using seasoning. I'm using cayenne pepper and accent, and I'm going to mix it together because I just want to put a touch of oomph on it, just to put my feet in it. So you see, I am doing the snap test. It's cutting, so that's the testing for plantain chips. Now yum yum, my family is ready to eat. Let's go serve. Plantain chips completed. I have completed my plantain chips cooking or frying, and I am going to serve it. I love beautiful plating, and I'm going to serve it for my family. We're going to get our drink, we're going to sit down and chow down. You hear me? We're getting ready to chow down. I've been cooking. I want more meat ready we can't wait to just munch. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying. Don't forget, if you like this, replicate it in your family, and tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook, tag me on YouTube to see what you've done with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is linked below. Click the notification bell so that you can see my new recipe. I love you so much. Please help me to make this channel blow by tagging and watching. Love you and stay blessed. Yummy.